Okay, so good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to walk us through on the manager's dashboard. So we're just going to navigate together. So if you've been able to log in, this is the landing page. Here gives you a direct link to your calendar. When you click on this, it takes you to the calendar where you can explore all your activities or your tasks as the case may be. Then here you have your notifications, which has to do with either your properties as a manager or a landlord, or if you have pending profile settings. So whatever it is that you've not updated on your profile, you will see the notification here. And here is your direct easy portfolio account on Urban Homes. So you have the portfolio highlights, which gives you the entirety of your accounts. When you subscribe, if you're a subscribed user or a pay as you go user, you get to see that here. And also the time is going to expire. Then your name, your portfolio, you can click here to edit. It takes you back to your profile. Then your portfolio scale, how many properties do you have, how many units do you have, then your estimated revenue, and then your location based on what you fill in the profile. So here you can invite new tenants, that is a new contact, either as a tenant or a landlord or a service provider, because you are a manager. So you can invite, definitely they will be verified. Then here you can view all your properties, right? So this just shows when you became registered on the platform. Now, this is more or less like your accounting flow, your income and expenses. So all the fund you are generating, you'll be seeing it in a graph format. You can go for that to check the full reports, and then you'll also be seeing all your expenses, so whether it is positive or negative, total inflow for the month, and then the occupancy percentage. So this is your first go-to eye-catching interface. Here you can easily add a property, you can easily add a new lease, then here you can easily make a request also as a manager, and you can check all your expenses so far. So still up here you can do an easy search for a tenant or a property, and you can as well, aside from all of this, you can as well add your property here, add your listing, and add your contact. There's a difference between property and listing. So it's not every property of yours that you may want to make public for listing. So that's the difference here. You can toggle to change the view of your theme. So it can be night mode, it can be day mode. Then here is going to take you to the message where you can see all your conversations. So this is like your message thread. You can have conversation with either a tenant, a service professional, or a landlord here. So as the case may be, you can see your conversation and also go for that to download your transcripts of that conversation. So here is the notification. So all the notifications that has happened, everything that happens on the platform, you get it in also as a notification. From the notification, you can click and it's going to take you to where the real thing has happened. So that is the work of the notification. And here is your profile of the entire profile quickly. So dashboard. So if you scroll down, you would also be able to see your recent transactions and also your recent requests. So any request that is being made on the platform will be here, and all forms of transaction will be here. So as they're paying for properties or for any form of activity on this platform, you will definitely see the transaction here.